Hello guys, today we are going to learn Chudi Jo Khan Ke Haathon Mein, the dance I performed in my last video. So the first step is actually facing the back to the audience. You are supposed to stand this way. Okay, then you see the music, the first portion of the music you let go. Tang, 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 tang. From the second portion of the music, your right hand will go down 1, 2, 3, 4, left hand 5, 6, 7, 8. From here you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after this the music becomes double beat. You can refer to the dance video for the actual dance. Then you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, after this you again do round. You do take a round, go 1 and 2. Then you do चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में. After you do चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में, then there is a music again, ting 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 ting. So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Wearing the bangles, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then again, चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में. Okay, here what are you doing? You are placing your left leg ahead like this. Your right leg is flat this way, facing the front, your toes, and facing the corner. Your shoulder is towards the front, right corner. You do a body wave. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all right. Then after this you will do again चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में. Again repeat the second. This is the third चूड़ी जो खन के. Then याद पिया के आने लगी. Okay. So after, I'll just go one by one. So the first चूड़ी जो खन के is चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में. Music, 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 music. Then second one is again चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में. Then चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में. All right. After this, याद पिया की आने लगी. So how do you do this? You do 1. So place keep your left leg straight. Place your right leg across like this, cross 1, and give a slight body 1, 2. So याद पिया की आने लगी. आने लगी is very simple. You do just step. You shake your head side to side, and you keep your right hand under your chin like this, and your left hand is placed this way under the right elbow. Okay, so याद पिया की आने लगी. All right. I भीगी भीगी. Biggie biggie is what? Dipping. I have taught this step in the other videos also, how to dip. So, but this is not one leg dip, this is both dip. Okay, but you do 1 and 2. So, you show raindrops like this. Your fingers will go like this. Okay, So याद पिया की आने लगी, भीगी भीगी. Then you do रातों में. Now how is this step? This is 1. So you give a slight shoulder wave, very small wave, not too much, but it has to be a little, what do you call it, uchaknan. So you have to give a little body, shake your body a bit. So go 1 and 2. So this is bend, this is out and out. So 1 and 2. So याद पिया की आने लगी, भीगी भीगी रातों में. This. So 4 times. Alright. Now this is one step that goes with whatever you wear. You can wear a lehenga for the wedding. You're wearing a western outfit. The step will also go. So most of these steps are which will go in whatever outfit that you wear, a salwar kameez or a western outfit or an Indian outfit, it should go, right? So after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now after this step, it's again chudi jo khan ke haathon mein. So you are again doing 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now remember, this dance is all about the bangles. So I would suggest you wear if not lots, but very beautiful bangles, and keep doing hand movements. You can do your own as well. These are some of the simple examples that I have given. So from here, last position, you do again चूड़ी जो खन के हाथों में. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then from here there is a music piece in which you again do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This action is this 1 and 2 wrist movement, and your steps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dipping. These steps are twice, repeated twice. So once you go this way, once you go that way. Now from here, you take your thumbs this way. Okay. Now this is a very common step in folk songs. So this should be easy to do, I'm sure. You place your hands like this and you do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, same. We are doing dipping and we are going, how did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then repeat it once this side. Alright. So now after this again there is a repeat of chudi jo khan ke. So what do? You do 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I am doing, I am showing off my bangles, but I am doing chutki. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Then it's 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, this way. After this, next step is Thandi Thandi Pavana Chali. Okay, so this I have also given a little bit of western step with the folk. So what do? You take out your right leg outside with your right hand. And with your right hand, you do a wave outwards with your body and your shoulders. So you do Thandi Thandi Pavana Chali. Again on the left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Tan man mein yu aag lagi. So this is Thandi Thandi Pavana Chali. You aag lagi. This way you're showing fire. So And how do you show fire? You know, this way. And you're showing your body and doing slight waves with your body while going back. So side, side, back and back. Alright, simple enough. Now from here, there is a music in which I did kind of, you know, like a guitar thing at one place to make it simple. You can also change and do something else, but to show flames, you know that flame guitar they have, you seen that design? So that way, so I did 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Actually, to understand this, you can also do a Google search on flame guitar. You'll understand what I'm talking about. So after doing this, again there is a repeat of Thandi Thandi Pavan Chali तन मन में यूं आग लगी. Okay, then तेरे प्यार की चिंगारी. So चिंगारी, how do you show the love flame? So you point at the audience or whoever that you are dedicating this song to. तेरे प्यार की, in तेरे प्यार की you do 1. So तेरे प्यार की चिंगारी. Okay, so you go 1 and 2 like this. So तेरे प्यार की चिंगारी. Keep this hand side lying. Don't keep it awkward or something like that. Just side and do 1 and 2. So after तेरे प्यार की चिंगारी, तन मन में यूं मीर जली. So what is this? You showing tan and man. So first I think you can start with your right side. So tan and man. When it say man, your hand comes here near your heart. So tan man mein you meer jale. Okay. So after meer jale again, rim jim barsat hai. The next step comes. So this is the last step. So tan man mein you meer jale. Okay.